So I just brought out this soup from the freezer. Okay, this is bitter leaf soup, and this is ogbono soup. So I brought this ogbono soup out and bitter leaf. In case if my husband say that he doesn't want to eat bitter leaf, I'll give him ogbono soup. When I was calling him to ask him the soup he's going to eat, he wasn't picking. So right now I want to go out. Yeah. So before I'll come back, it will melt. Then I'll make dinner. Guys, I want to take this hair to the salon now. Okay. I will. I have a program that I want to use this hair on Saturday, so I want to take it to salon to see what they're going to do, maybe to revamp it or whatever. I don't know. But when I get there, they will tell me the best thing to do because it's been long. I wore the hair last. Cool. So that is it. I'll be going with my son now. Oh yeah, say hi. Say hi now. Baba, say hi. Wait for me. Oh. I say hi. Hi. Look now. Hi, bye bye. Bye bye. Guys, we're going now. We're on our way to the salon. Okay, so that we can give her the hair so that it will be ready before Saturday. I'm making this video on Tuesday evening. Okay, so that before Saturday it's going to be ready. Yeah, so stay connected. Hey guys, look at that. Can you see? Me and my son, we just finished our mukbang video. Look at our plates. Okay, so I'm going to show you my son. Okay, you can see now. See my son. He's still eating meat. We are done eating our mukbang video. Our mukbang food, or whatever. Daddy, I say hi. 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 We just finished our food. Hey guys. Good morning. So guys, like I told you guys yesterday. Okay, yesterday that I went to give my as in I went to salon to give out my, what am I saying, that they allow me that I want to carry my wig to the salon to know what they're going to do to it. Stop shouting. Mommy is making video. So when I got there anyway, because when I showed her, she was like, maybe I will re-wig it. And I told her that I want to use it on Saturday. She now said, okay. So when she called the person, I said that she's going to, that is stop. She's going to wash it and roll the mouth, okay? So the amount she called, not that it's that much, but I'm thinking of rewigging the wig, okay, after the event or occasion on Saturday, maybe January, okay? So I was like, since I'm going to pay such amount to wash and roll the mat, there is no point of doing that. Maybe I'm going to wait till next year, then I will re-wig it. So I came back with the wig, so I will make use of another one on Saturday, okay? So by January I will re-wig this one, so it's better, so that I can pay the money once instead of paying money now to wash and roll the mat. Then January I'll still pay another money for the wigging, so it will be that much. So that is it. On Saturday I'm going to wear another one. So that is it, guys. I said let me give you the feedback, okay? So I'm going to talk to you guys later. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Bye for now. I'm taking small tea and bread. Omo, harmattan this side now is much. Like today, harmattan is much. The cold is not here. I just want to take only tea to warm my body. Then later I'll know what next to eat. I'm not opening this biscuit. You will eat food. So besties, I'm very very hungry now. It's afternoon here. You see my son. My son has developed habits like that I don't like. He always want all these, snacks. He find it difficult to eat food. So I refuse to open this biscuit for him. Daddy, go and keep this biscuit. So I'm warming spag now. I want to eat spag. Yeah, so let me show you. So this is what I want to eat this afternoon. This is actually white spag. Okay, so I made this spag with carrots, white spag with carrots. So I added vegetable sauce. Look at that. This is vegetable sauce. So I added it. This is fish, leftover sauce. Okay. So this is what I'll be having this afternoon. I'm very hungry. When you're hungry, you don't have choice. You just check your freezer, anything available at that moment can serve. Okay. Well, I know this combo is going to come out perfectly. Okay. Oh, I'm hungry. I don't have choice now. Guys, this is crayfish, okay? So I was telling my friend that one of my friends that I want to go to market to blend my crayfish because the dry blender I'm using to blend it, to blend the dry stuffs. I don't know what is wrong with it. It's not working again. Like the blade is not working. So my friend now said that I should try my normal blender that is going to work for crayfish. That crayfish doesn't have weight. So I said let me try it today. Like I'm using this small blender now. Let me see if it's going to work. I don't want to. Jesus, no. I'm scared. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. It's working. Guys, I don't know that this thing is going to blend like this. This is my first time of trying this. And I've been suffering though. If you want to blend this thing, either I use mortar to pound it, or maybe I'll wait when I'm blending something wet. I'll use the big one. Wow, wow, wow. So, and this thing, the way I'm seeing it, it can blend or no. So guys, I'm done blending. They say a trial will convince you. It's good to speak out. So like, there is light. So I don't know why it's not on light. This place is dark. It's good to speak out. Like when something is bothering you, speak out. And even I did not tell my friend I want to go to market to blend this. She will not. I won't know this one. I'll have two blenders in this house and I'll be suffering. And when I see this thing now, I think it's going to blend ogbono and egusi because I'm also thinking of taking them to. I bought them from the east. Yes. So I'm thinking of taking them to the market so that they can blend it for me. But I'm going to try the egusi first. The egusi doesn't have weight like that. I'll sun it very well and try it. Just small and see if it's going to work. If it's going to work, that means congratulations to me. So that is it, guys. I think I'm going to be ending this vlog here, okay? So please don't forget to thumbs up this video, okay? And subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, okay? Yeah, bye bye for now. Chill.